The holidays are here. After a long year full of busy schedules, activities, schools and other things, it's time to kick back and spend quality time with your loved ones. During the holiday season, port wine has become a familiar presence at the table, as its flexibility is huge to pair with seasonal food. So, let's look into some ideas for port wine pairings. For ruby and late bottled vintage, dark chocolate is the pairing par excellence for these dark, rich, brambly wines, especially chocolate desserts that incorporate cherries or other fruits. A snack based on cheese or pâté with bread and crackers go very well with a late bottled vintage. It's the perfect solution for when you can't face anything more substantial to eat. As for tawny port, it's always a good choice to be served with dessert, especially the ones that are dried fruit and nut based, or with an assortment of cheese. You should also have in mind the age of the wine. The older the tawny is, the better it pairs with figgy flavours, while younger tawnies with 10 years go well with any dessert that has a caramel or toffee note, creme brulee, apple, or sticky toffee pudding for instance. Last but not least, we have the popular vintage port, always a safe choice to pair with many types of cheese. Cheddar, Stilton, Sauterne, to name a few, or with any kind of chocolate. After all, you can never go wrong with a vintage port. With or without port, the important thing is that you enjoy this period the best you can. Happy holidays! To discover other great stories, join our community of wine lovers. Just visit the website, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Wineberia, the sunny side of wine.